are the Martyr. Good morning everyone. My name is Vatsal Gupta. Today our class 5th D got golden opportunity to conduct the assembly on Martyr's Day. Now my friend Shishti is here to tell you a thought.
Good morning everyone. I am Shrishti from class 5D and today I am going to present the thought of the day. There is no greater sacrifice known by men other than giving one's life in the defense of our nation. I repeat my thought. There is no greater sacrifice known by men other than giving one's our life in the defense of our nation. Therefore, we should respect their sacrifice. Thank you.
On 30th January, Martyr's Day or Shaheed Divas is celebrated in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, and on 23rd March, Martyr's Day is also celebrated to pay tribute of three extraordinary revolution of India who were hanged to dead to the British, namely Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and on 30th January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, was assassinated to Gandhi Smriti in Birla House. खुद में वो बदलाव कीजिए जो आप दुनिया में देखना चाहते हैं. Now my friend जागृति is here for हिंदी पोयम.
सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम जागृति सिंह है. आज मैं आपके सामने महात्मा गांधी जी पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. सच्चाई का लेकर शस्त्र और अहिंसा का ले अस्त्र, तूने अपना देश बचाया, गौरव को था दूर भगा, दुश्मन से भी प्यार किया, मानव पर उपकार किया. गांधी करते तुझे नमन और तुझे चढ़ाते प्रेम सुमन. धन्यवाद.
The best way to find ourselves is to lose ourselves in the survey of others. Now my friend Navya is here for English.
My name is Navya. Today I am here to recite a poem. The man of honesty, the man of greatness, he is our Mahatma, the father of our nation, born in a family of cultivated background, grown in a circle of loving parents, truthful, honest and simple of body, so frail yet nimble, from heart so big and true. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kishara Kisupe of class 50D. Today I am here to tell you about the Martyr's Day. May the soul of martyrs rest in peace. May we create a nation on which they are always proud whenever looking at us. Let us work hard to create a country which our martyrs dreamed of, to make sure that their souls are happy and contented. Thank you.